Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It is your boy Lamakano here and alive once again. Welcome to another unboxing keycap reveal. This time we have it from Artterraa Keycaps. Wow. And as you can tell right off the bat from this intro, as well as the transparent seam here, very nice packaging. It's unique, it's different. I actually like that. It's malleable and it's not as constrictive as the other packages I've seen, and you can tell it's pretty high quality given this his own signature logo. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Okay, not gonna lie, opening the seam there did require a bit of effort. It wasn't as seamless as I thought. And however, it is a Ziploc bag, so that's kudos to him or they for having that, because you could reuse this bag for whatever you want. It's kind of strange how it's like a, I don't know, I don't want to say the word, but it's quite nice. I like it. Anyways, what we have, given the name Artterraa, is, I'm not sure if that's obvious at this point. It may not be, but we have a wave. Does that look like a wave to you? Like if you were have this on the board and you're pressing this, like, I mean, it feels nice, nothing's in the way. I guess it does look like a wave. But if I didn't tell you if this was a wave, would you still consider this as a wave? I'm not too sure. See, now I'm second guessing this. I'm second guessing this. But anyways, let's just see what's in the inside here. Seems clean enough, obviously. Yeah, seems clean enough. I didn't do a little wishy-washing here and there, but I don't know. The paint job is nice. There's some imperfections here and there given the texture. Maybe the texture is intentional. It's interesting keypad. The reason why I got waves is because I wanted some water elements in there. Not that I already have some water elements in my keycap to reach my goal of having a koi fish theme, but to sort of accentuate everything, put everything together, I wanted some water elements to sort of, you know, act as a little accent or a little add-on to everything else. And I thought this looks so cute enough given the pictures. Like it's really cute from this side, you know, like this looks like a water. But in some sort of angles, it does seem to be a little weird looking. It does really look only good on the front side. Not only that, the paint job, it's good. It's good. It's like favorite tones of blues actually, so quite like it. But anyways, thank you so much. I highly rate it. It is as described, so no hate. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea,
What does it even mean anymore?